Back at the Speedo shop, we got us a Kenworth speedometer with an inoperable RPM. Let's take this thing apart, see if we can figure it out.
These are a Chrysler style step motor, and issues with these is there's a worm gear in there that becomes misaligned and comes off. So held together with plastic rivets, so you just have to kind of get the edges of that rivet up enough that it slides out. Get in here, there's little locking tabs here that you can just kind of pry out with a pick. Get your little spoon in there and give her one of those. There we go. Pull that straight up. See this little worm gear right here? That's it. That's all that's wrong. So now on the inside of this, there's a little tab right there, and I just bend the tab up a little bit more, which puts more downforce on this worm gear and keeps it aligned. Just want to peek and make sure we're still zeroed, which we are not. Epic fail. I'm going to make a little mark on the gear so I have a reference. So now I can lift that worm gear again and just rotate this a tooth. Put the worm gear back in. Have another look. That's where she's going to ride. There you go, you're lined up. Take your spoon and flatten down that rivet again. That just holds the back down tight.